Namaste, namaste, namaste. Yes, once again, I'm here live with yet another for another series of the show, The Unusual with Story Makers, with unusual and powerful story. और आज के जो हमारे unusual story maker है, he's a very powerful and creative and innovative person. And before introducing him, मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहती हूँ. Hi गौरव. हेलो टू एवरीवन. मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि आज ना मेरा पान खाने का बड़ा ही मन कर रहा है. सो नॉट आज बट काफ़ी दिनों से पान खाने का बड़ा मन कर रहा है. सो बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड सिचुएशन आई थिंक हो नहीं पा रहा है कहीं जाने को. लेट मी टेल यू, आई एम अ बिग फैन और आई एम अ पान लवर. सो राइट फ्रॉम मगई का पान, कलकत्ता वाला पान, मीठा पान. ओके, सो आई एम अ बिग पान लवर एंड ईटर. बट कोविड की वजह से हम कहीं जा नहीं पा रहे हैं, कहीं आ नहीं पा रहे हैं. सो आई थॉट क्यों ना हम ऐसे इंसान से बात करें जिन्होंने पान की डेफिनेशन ही बदल दी है, पान की परिभाषा ही बदल दी है. लेट मी इन्वाइट हिम. यस, सो यस, जिन्होंने पान की भाषा ही बदल दी है, मैं आपको ये बता रही थी. हिज नेम इज मेहुल पटेल और लोग इन्हें बड़े प्यार से मिस्टर पान वाला भी बुलाते हैं. हेलो मेहुल, एंड ही इज हियर. यस,
Hi Ravya, how are you?
आई एम एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. हाउ आर यू?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Okay, so I'm sorry for the delay. I don't know, there was some connection problem from my end.
No, that's completely fine, and I understand, since this is a COVID and lockdown era, a lot of people are online, it's always they're jamming up the network all over the place.
I know. I was just telling everyone that बड़े दिन से पान खाने का मन कर रहा है. बट पान, I mean, वो ऐसे दिन थे जब अब याद आते हैं कि पान मतलब खाना खाने के बाद आफ्टर आवर मील्स वी यूज्ड टू गो कहीं भी दूर दूर तक जहाँ पान अच्छा मिलता है, दूर दूर तक भी जाते थे हम लोग पान खाने के लिए. एंड दिस वाज ओनली आवर चांस टू मीट आवर फ्रेंड्स, टू कैच अप विद आवर फ्रेंड्स. बट अब नहीं हो पा रहा है. सो आई वाज जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूसिंग यू. पीपल प्लीज वेलकम मेहुल पटेल. ही इज द फाउंडर ऑफ पान कासा. इन्होंने अपना ब्रांड स्टार्टअप किया था फ्यू इयर्स बैक और अभी लाइक इट्स द ब्रांड इज रीचिंग रॉकेट लाइक विद रॉकेट स्पीड. यूएसए, मुंबई, मतलब इंडिया में भी एट मेनी प्लेसेस, लंदन, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, एवरीवेयर देयर इज पान कासा. राइट मेहुल?
That is very, very true. Yeah, and that's the plan actually.
Yes. So, Mehul, can we start? Like, can you let us know? Can you let people know about yourself and give a chota sa brief introduction about yourself?
Yeah, definitely. So, myself is, Mehul, and the last name is Patel, and Patel is one of the popular Gujarati last name. And a
Yes.
lot of people, know about that. Even in the USA now, the Patel is a very common last name. So, I've been doing this business, coming from the Gujarati background. You work 9 to 5, but you also want to do some sort of a side business or the primary business. So that is why I got into this business, and we can definitely discuss about it, how I got into this business from, work 9 to 5 and to the job. But yeah, I started my pan journey as a hobby since 2008, 2009. But as a professional business, I got into this field from 2016.
2016. So it's been like only ज़्यादा समय नहीं हुआ है when you have been started. And look at you. I mean, the brand is everywhere. New notifications every day. Pan Casa is in Rajkot. Pan Casa is in Ahmedabad, Goa, everywhere, right?
Yeah,
So
that is true.
yes. So tell me, like, you, as you said, you are into nine. Not many people were aware that Mr. Panwala is into 9 to 5 job. So, and nobody is from your family is in this pan business, right? So,
Yes, that is correct. No one is in the pan business yet.
why this major shift from, I mean, working 9 to 5 job to entrepreneurship, and how is it working?
Um, so if I give you a little bit about, tell you a little bit about the entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is all about, working on your passion, making it possible into the business, and that is all about the entrepreneurship. You just work. You don't really think about the success, and you really don't think about the the future outcome of it. So I was making pan as just an hobby, for last over 10 years. And, the way I'm making my pan, the quality, the recipes and all that, people loved it, and the way that I got so much appreciation from my families, my friends, and then I thought, this is a good opportunity for me to get into this field, get into this market, where 98% of the market currently in India is completely unorganized. So this is why I got into this business, to make it organized, to get maximum out of it and spread the awareness about and we do our pan business completely tobacco free, completely nicotine free, to spread the awareness among the youth generation that eating gutka or like something with the tobacco and nicotine, obviously it's harmful for your family, for your health, and so this is why what we are and that was the major safety, because we wanted to do something. I wanted to do something for my passion, my dream, but I also wanted to make it some sort of message for the society, that why it is very important to not eat gutka and not eat the tobacco, chewing tobacco and all that, because that causes an issue with your health, but it ultimately it damages a lot of other things in your family as well. So this is why we are kind of like into this business, and that was the major shift from 9 to 5 into this business.
Okay. So, we here like were very fond of eating pan since your childhood, and
Mm-hmm.
your Nani Ma has a major role to play in this success story. So, how did
Yeah,
her?
when I was a kid, all majority of all the kids back in 90s and the late 80s, they used to go to their mamaji house, especially during the summer vacation, right? Everyone does that. So during that time, I used to spend my time, a lot of the vacations with my nanny mom, and she was a big pan lover. She would have such a small dibba with her all the time. She would make pan, for herself, for the family, and all that. And she would, at the age of like what, I mean, 7 or 8 years, she would give me a small pan ka bida. उसमें छोटा सा कुछ मीठा गुलकंद होगा, कुछ सौंफ होगी, कुछ कोकोनट होगा. But my first impression was, pan is obviously made something with tobacco. So, and when the first time she offered me, I thought like it might have tobacco, because that's what I had kind of like thought, seeing a lot of things in the TV and hearing by a lot of people around you. But yeah, I mean, then she told me, pan is not something that kind of like, causes a lot of issues to your health, but it is a very healthy product that boosts up your immunity, that gives you some sort of calcium from the ingredients that you eat. It also, deflammable for your body, good for the digestions and all that. So that way, I started eating pan not regularly at that age, but when as I grew up, I kind of like got into this pan after the meal, maybe like once a week, I would go to the pan shop, eat one pan. But that was like mesmerizing me, like the way that all these pan shop guys, and I salute all of these people, the way that they put a lot of hard work they have put in under this business. Always kind of like made me think, what is so special about the process? What is so special about these ingredients making this pan so delicious? Once you have a one small pan bit after a meal, like entire body refreshing,
Yeah.
so I was constantly, thinking about that. And at the age of like what, I mean, 28 or 29, I really thought of making my own pan, because I had that knowledge from very young age of 8, that what exactly goes into the pan. So, just for that 20 years, I kind of like just observed a lot of people making pan, and the observation turned into the business at the age of 28, 29.
Okay. So, when was the first time you tried making it?
Exactly. And I tried making it at the age of 29 myself. The first couple try didn't succeed. Obviously, when you try it for the first time, couple of times, you have to constantly roll back with the new, the process, the recipe, and all that. But first couple times it didn't work. But then I constantly, putting my hands on it, to coming up with a lot of new variations in the ingredients. And then just within like couple months, it kind of like giving like really nice flavor to my friends, and I started this business just with my friends first.
Okay.
And then I did it for like almost 7 8 years. I was not really doing any professional business, but I was making fun at home, in the events, in the parties for my friends and family. And that's how I got so much appreciation. And I thought that this could be a really big business because my product is already popular out there in the market.
Yeah. I think they are very, very popular. You're the famous Panwala in North America, I guess.
Uh, I, I don't know about that, but yeah, the way that I get lots of emails, calls, the way that I get invited to a lot of events and all that, I could say, people just love what I do.
Because as I said, you are changing the definition, as you mentioned before, the pan sector, जहाँ हमारे गलियों में पान बिकता है, it's not organized and you are representing it to a very international level.
Yes, yes, that is true. I mean, not just that, because if you look at the pan business all over India, 98% pan shops are still selling that gutka, chewing tobacco, and all that. But if you think about that, they can only target the one individual from the family. But there are other people in the family who would like to eat pan, but they can't really go to those pan places because of the smoke and the tobacco and other stuff that's going on. So
Right.
we tried to change that definition, with the innovations that we have, and giving all our customers that wow factor. Because wherever you go, like nowadays, especially in the today's life, you expect to get that wow factor, from that shop. So that's what we are kind of like doing with our business, but completely modern way.
Yes, absolutely. So when Mehul, you were trying to shift to this segment, right? You were also
Mm-hmm.
taking a 9 to 5 job and also you were trying your hands on, making different flavors. So did you have to experiment like on many flavors with the pan before moving to?
Yeah, absolutely. Currently, we are serving almost 75 plus pan on the menu, and we have approximately another 35 to 45 beverages made out of pan.
That?
That kind of like includes, guava pan mojito, Moscow pan mule, pan shots, pan mojito, pan e Noor Jahan, pan e Saja. There's so many things on the menu that we have carved specially around the pan. So if you think about that, coming up with any new innovations, you need to put in like trials and error, right? So that's exactly what we did with all our products. So whenever we decide to come up with a new product in the market, I try myself here in United States first. And the people who tried that product and the recipe here, it's my wife, my parents, and other friends and family. Once we get like a little bit good and positive feedback on that, then we actually ask our stores to try that on the base of that recipes in our local stores in India. And then we kind of like constantly have our regular customers to try out like in a small batches. And once we have like 95% success ratio on all the products that we actually have our customers to try, and then we roll out that product all over our stores in the India.
Okay. So uh, so that all these products are required a pan.
Uh, Ravia, sorry, your voice is cracking. I cannot hear you properly.
Now, okay, can you hear
Yes, I
me?
can hear you better now. Yes, I can hear you better now.
Okay. So as I was saying, that who are in not
Hmm.
are these products
No, I still have some issues. I think I can hear you at all.
you can't. Okay.
Okay, I can hear you now. So I think
Okay.
your might be blocking.
Okay.
Okay, it's better now.
Okay. So what I'll repeat my question. I was asking in America, okay,
Hmm.
started making pans when you started trying your hands on, different flavors. So
Yep.
were these ingredients used in making a pan? You're an artist. And were these products easily available to you?
So, especially in the North America, not all the products are available easily. There are only one or two ingredients are available in the local markets. So we source these two ingredients from the local market. Our pan patta they come from Hawaii, because Hawaii is it's a very beautiful place, obviously, and has a very similar weather to India.
Okay.
So we source our pan ka patta from Hawaii market, and they are very delicious in the taste. Rest of the ingredients, like any other stuff like the menthol, the syrup, the chutneys, and suparis and all that, they come from India directly.
Okay. Okay. And then you so when you find popular for a long, when was the time you got popular? Was-
Your voice is breaking again, Raja.
Okay. Now,
Yes, it is better now.
so I was asking, when was the time? I mean, when you started getting popularity, you have been experimenting with
Mm-hmm.
a lot of products, right? So when was the time you started getting popularity in making your products?
So as I said, I started my business. I mean, I've been making a palm since 2008, 2009, but I started my business from 2016. But 2018 was the real time that my products got really popular. Like, I couldn't say they got popular overnight, but for
Okay.
first 2 years, a lot of people experimented with my product. A lot of people tried it, and they spread the words like a rocket speed. I got so much inquiries, so many inquiries from the clients, so many phone calls, the emails
Okay.
from our local people, local friends and family here in the United States. And then
Okay.
we thought that this business really has a very good potential to get into this field, especially in India, because India is the biggest market for this product.
Okay.
And then we decided to get into the Indian market with retail shop. So our
Okay.
first retail shop was opened in India in Surat, Gujarat, in 2018 November.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, and then you there was no looking back for you.
Uh, yeah, I can say that there was no looking back because whenever you do any startups or any business, there are always like so many phases in your business, right? There are so many hurdles. We obviously we kind of experienced a lot of things, a lot of hurdles in the beginning of our journey. But we have a very good and solid team in place. We work on one issues at a time. We plan a lot of things for the future, and we were able to sort out all those issues in first 6 months. And people loved everything what we did so far.
Okay. So talking about, pan, and you are the famous panwala, as all of us know in North America. And
Hmm.
there are different widespread varieties which pan kasta offers. You also cater to high-end weddings and
Hmm.
events.
Hmm.
Okay. So what about when the Americans, the Firangiyon ne taste kiya pan? So what is their experience, and how do they react when they eat pan?
So you got a very good question, and I'm asked this question so many times by a lot of people. Does the American people try it or not? They do. Now internet is very good platform for them to search about the Indian food. And whenever they search Indian food, there is always a one or other links. They see the pan and betel leaf and all that. So they, like majority of the American people, has some sort of knowledge now. What is the pan? What is the betel leaf and all that? So whenever we go to any weddings, in this wedding especially, we see a lot of American people as a guest. And yeah, obviously, they want to try something, on the menu, and they would like to experiment with something that we have on the menu for themselves. Now,
Okay.
right. So the reaction wise, what I say is, a lot of our products, like if you look at the pan on the menu today, a lot of pans are made with some sort of menthol or minty flavor. So American people really not into this yet. So what we have to do is, we have to modify our recipe according to that taste buds. So what we do is, let's see, for one example, there is one guy who love pan. He never tried pan before, but he's more into the chocolates, the desserts and all that. So we make that pan with his liking, and with like a lot of chocolates or maybe like the dessert type of flavor, and he love it, and he literally takes it like few times, and then he gives us a literal good feedback that this is something that he was craving for a long time, because he saw a lot of pictures. Whenever he go to any Indian restaurants, there are some soft like that mukhwas ka dibba by the counters and all that. So he knows what to expect from pan. But then whenever he tries it, they simply love it because they know, and we educate them, why we eat pan as in an Indian community. What are the reasons? And the reasons is we eat pan because it has a good digestive properties to it. So whenever you eat it after the food, it helps your food to digest through your system quicker. And they love it, and then they believe it. This is a good medicinal product that they should try frequently. So I have a couple of customers. They're American people, and they have tried my pan so many times, and they try it like literally the Indian way, not the American way. So they're getting into it, and we are making sure that one day all the American people can be able to enjoy our products.
Yes, absolutely. Dhruti here says that we should go. Let's go, Rabia, I guess.
Hey Dhriti, how are you?
So, Mehul, I wanted to know that, as you said, menthol. So,
Hmm.
this is a good way to educate, because some people love. I somehow there's a lot in curating and making products in a different way. There's a lot of innovation behind it, and people should know that pan kasa modifies pan according to your need. That's a wonderful thing.
Yep.
So yes, so let me ask you, when you have you have your ventures at different places, right? You said Goa, Kolkata,
Hmm.
and California. So can you please let us know more about it? At how many different places are you opening more?
So currently we have 8 places up and running in the different part of the country, in different part of the world. We have another 6 projects in the pipeline. One is Mumbai. Mumbai is opening in next few weeks. But due to the current lockdown and the COVID situation, we have put in everything on hold for now because we want to make sure that everyone who joins Pan Casa team, they are safe and they are, not in danger at this moment. So we have hold off on all the projects right now, but I would say we have about like six projects in the pipeline, and you would be seeing another 6 outlets opening in next 3 to 4 months in India.
Correct. What about
Your voice is breaking again, Ravya.
now? I wanted to know now, in how many cities is Pan Casa there, and where can the viewers go? In which cities?
So currently we have operations running in London, US,
Okay.
Surat, Rajkot, Vadodara, Kolkata, and Goa.
Okay. Okay. And also abroad, out of India also?
Yes, so London is currently shut down because of the lockdown. We really didn't open the store. It was supposed to be open in March, but due to the lockdown situation in London, we kind of like hold on to that.
Okay.
And US currently operations running, but due to the COVID, we are not aggressively working on that right now.
Okay, that's wonderful. So when it opens in Mumbai, I think me and Dhriti will be the first ones to go there.
I think it should be closer to your place, I believe.
Yes, yes, yes. Where is it in Mumbai? Where is it going
So
to
it
open?
is going to be in Dahisar West, close to the
Okay.
railway station.
Okay, we'll be there.
All
Wherever
right.
it is in Mumbai, we'll be there. Yes. So, tell me something. When as a guest, I'll be going
Mhm.
to Pan Casa, okay, or any viewer would be going to Pan Casa. So, what is the different experience we would get there? Pan Casa is also a cafe, right? Right from any age, okay.
Mhm.
Right from a small child to an old age person, we can go there. I hear you can read their books. There's a mini library there. There's a corner in Pan Casa. I think in every Pan Casa there's a mini library sort of a thing where you can sit, you can have your meetings, you can meet people there. So from every age, people can go there, right? So tell me more
Yep,
about it.
absolutely, absolutely. So Pan
Okay.
Casa is some sort of a pan place where any age group can go,
Hmm.
enjoy the delicious pan product, the beverages, chai, coffee, anything.
Okay.
So we build this business not just for the pan lovers, but we build this business for the families, I would say, where you can find all the tobacco-free products, the nicotine-free products, no cigarettes, no gutka, nothing.
Right.
And we have so many different various models in this business. 200 square feet, 100 square feet, 1,000 square feet. Rajkot one is the biggest one in the whole world. It's a 12,000 square feet.
Light ups, open space.
Yep. So it is a pretty big outlet we have in the place, you know. So I would say that, you know, and the Pan Casa gives you very different experience in a pan segment where we can actually walk in, you know, all of our the system, the technology we use in the cafe. It's very innovative, you know. Like currently we are using data-driven technologies, the billing system, loyalty programs, you know. So for an example, you are one of our regular customer and we just take your cell phone number to enter in our system.
Right.
So the next visit, when you have a next visit, you walk in, we enter your cell phone number in our system. It exactly tells us what was your last order
Okay.
and when did you place it. So on the base of that, if we want to give you that same customized experience and the product without even asking you a single question, we can do that. So we have that type of technologies integrated in our billing system. So this is why this is one of the reason all our customers are very amazed and satisfied with the Pan Casa model, because they have not seen such sort of very advanced and modern pawn shops in India. Because anytime they walk in, you know, they still have to stand in a line. It's not 100% hygienic place, you know. Nowadays there are a couple hygiene places, pawn places out there, but I would say it's not 100% hygienic place. Plus, not the technologies that they use. And Pan Casa is using all these technologies to give all our customers a wow factor. So so this particular wow factor thing that we have in our business model gives all our customers that satisfaction. You know, today if you're spending 20 rupees for one item, and if you're getting that satisfaction, then you will be returning home with the happy face. But if you're spending 50 rupees and if you're not getting the satisfaction with our services and all that, you would not be happy.
Okay.
So all our core is to keep our customers happy. And if our customer is not happy with our products, we don't even ask the question. We replace that item for free without asking any single question. So this is what our customers, our pawn lovers love it, and they keep visiting us regularly.
People have lot of the more
Your voice is breaking again, Ravya.
God, I'm so sorry.
No, that's fine. I understand there might be some network issues.
So I was saying that this is a very organized way, a very organized module. You know, people come back. They are loyal. This is how you gain loyal customers also.
Yep, that is very true, because today the loyalty program that we use is kind of like gives us complete history of our customers order in like 7 days or 10 days or 2 months or 3 months. So on the base of that, what we do is we run a weekly report, monthly report on the customer data. And on the base of that, we customize the campaigns. For an example, you are a big fan of our Kullad Chai, and one of your friend is a big fan of our Meetha Pan. So we
Okay.
have that data, who loves what and when they visited and when they came to your cafe last time. So on the base of that, we customize the campaigns. So
Okay.
if Ravia loves the Kullar chai, she gets the custom offer only for the Kullar chai. She doesn't get any coupons for any other products.
Right.
So that kind of gives you an a customer connections with the company directly. And I think nowadays, the connections is the big, lottery, I would say. Everyone is
Yeah.
looking for that. If you're not making a good relationship with a good connections with your customers, probably you would never survive in any type of business.
Yeah. Absolutely, you said well. And what about like I hear like every product in Pan Casa when I visit there, right from chai to coffee,
Mhm.
dessert, every product has a pan essence in it.
Yeah, so 90% of our products on the
Yeah.
menu, except the food, 90% of the other products are made
Correct.
around pan. We got chai latte, we got chai frappe. I mean, sorry, the pan latte, pan frappe. We got a pan latte, pan chai latte. We got gulkan chai. We got pan chai. We got so many innovative and exotic mocktails as well made out of pan. Pan mojito, guava pan mojito, Moscow pan mule, pane bahar. And all these beverages, plus the pans that we have on our menu, they're completely innovated out of
Correct.
the scratch.
Correct.
You won't find any recipes, any products from internet on the base of made out of the pan and all that. So all these
Correct.
items are completely innovated out of the box.
Correct. So how can we hear you do this high end weddings? Last time I saw like on Pan Casa page and Mr. Panwala, there were some beautiful pictures and stories of these weddings. and you do some events also, like, right?
Yep.
So tell us more, like, how can people get in touch with you if they want
So,
to
so
have,
people,
yeah,
so people can directly reach out to us through any social media. We are there on the Facebook. We are there on the Instagram. We have a website www.pankasa.com. You can
right,
directly send us an email or call us from one of the number listed on the website.
okay.
And as soon as we get your email or phone calls, we'll be in touch within 1 or 2 days, and then we can take it from there.
Correct, correct. That's wonderful. I mean, I'm literally waiting, like when you're saying that so many different varieties and flavors. I want you to, immediately open it. I hope this COVID situation gets better and I can go with my family there.
No, definitely. And we are hoping that everyone, staying safe, especially in the COVID situation, and we can,
Yes,
everything gets better and we can get back to the business as soon as possible.
correct. Mehul, tell me, you did not leave your job, right? The 9 to 5 job. You're also doing it.
Yeah,
So how
surprisingly, I'm
are
still
you?
9 to 5. Yes, I'm
Yes.
still
So
working 9 to 5.
how are you handling, how are you managing both of them, like the job also, the business also, and the business is running absolutely wonderful. I mean,
So I would say that when you're passionate about something,
yeah.
you never get tired, right? Because you're constantly thinking about the innovations, you're constantly thinking about the business, your passion,
Hmm.
uh, yeah, and it's always there in your mind. You never leave out of that.
Correct.
So regardless of number of hours, if you spend 5 hours, 10 hours, or 15 hours on your passion or your dream, you never get tired. So
Hmm.
currently, I'm working approximately 17 to 18 hours a day. I have a 9 hours full-time job, plus I put in another 7, 8 hours every day on my business.
Lot of
You
work.
know, lot of work. Obviously, I try to take 8 hours sleep a day, but sometimes it's not possible. I can sleep 6 hours a day, but remaining hours, I strictly make sure that my business in North America is up and running fine, on track. My business in India is up and running fine and on
Right,
track,
right.
and
Hmm.
we have all other plans going on. So I just try to be managing, just because I'm really into this business and the passion.
Yes, I think this is because of your hard work and dedication. I mean, it's all paying off.
Yes, yes, and you said very well, because without a hard work and dedication, probably no business can be a successful, because if
Yes.
you don't work enough on your business to know all the in and out, you would probably never be able to come up with an innovation. So if you want to come up with the innovations, you need to know your business from in and out,
Hmm.
and that's what we are working on every day.
Correct, correct. So Mehul, I'll ask you something. We see
Mhm.
majority of panwalas, okay, in India also, or you go anywhere. हमारे गली नुक्कड़ में चले जाओ. They sell the same, flavored pans. There's no variety. Only वही सब मिलेगा. But Pan Casa offers a wide range of variety, right? So
Yep.
how do you curate these gourmet items, and made out of pan?
So if I give you a little bit the history on that, so what we do is we have a kind of like a three different sections on our pan menu.
Hmm.
We got typical traditional pan. So traditional pans are typically or our old school pan. They are running items in the Indian market,
Correct.
but we have so many innovations in that. So
Hmm.
we have a sada pan, meetha pan on the menu, but in the sada pan and the meetha pan, we have our own innovation. We got Bambaiya meetha pan. So Bambaya Meetha Pan that we have on our menu is completely different than you would find that regular Meetha Pan to any other pan shops. We got
Hmm.
Mughlai Sada Pan. So Mughlai Sada Pan is very innovative Sada Pan item on our menu
Okay.
that you can really find that product in the regular pan shop. So
Right.
we got the innovations in the traditional pan segment. After that, we also got some twisted pan flavors, which are more of the, I would say, the chocolate based pan, fruit based pan. We got ice cream based, ice based, caramel based. Besides that, we also got some gourmet pan. So gourmet pan are made out of this white chocolate crunch. We got the 5 star crunch, Kit Kat crunch, Parle-G crunch, Oreo cookie crunch. We also have some of the most innovative products on our menu are tandoori pan. The tandoori pan.
Like complete menu. I'm having amazing.
So, and trust me, you would love all these products, because all these items made completely different from each other, and they are very different from what you would find from the regular market, from the regular pan shops in the market. Recently, we launched Tandoori Pan. Tandoori Pan is probably world's first tandoori pan and made actually in a small tandoor. We actually smoked that pan with all the tandoori flavors, with the Indian herbs, with some of that secret sauces and the recipes. I mean, the syrups on that, and that's actually hitting the market.
The secret recipe.
Yeah, so we have actually our one in-house syrup made out of a couple different ingredients that adds the tandoori flavor to the pan. And when we say the tandoori pan, surprisingly, this pan is not hot pan; it's served cold. So think about that. So tandoor usually is a hot,
Yeah.
always because of the charcoal and all that. But we have certain process to keep it cool even with the charcoals inside of small tandoor. So we have that very innovative process built, and it's been getting viral in the two cities so far because we have launched in two cities, Rajkot and Vadodara, and so far we got amazing review about our tandoori pan.
That's cost.
Your voice is breaking again.
No, I was asking, tell me about the cost. Are these products cost effective?
So all these products are very pocket friendly. I must say that even if you visit any regular pawn shops today in the Nukkad, you would probably spend about 25 to 35 rupees per
Correct.
meetha pan.
Correct.
All our products around this range, all our meetha pan, sada pan around 25 to 35 rupees per piece, and other very twisted flavors or the gourmet flavors around 60, 70 rupees. Tandoori pan is only 50 rupees. It's not expensive at all. So anyone can try it.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
the amount, the innovations that we have, it's only 50 rupees.
Look at the
So,
prices, they are like nothing. I
yeah,
mean,
exactly. I mean, our business is completely economy. It's a very pocket friendly. Anyone can enjoy, anyone can come multiple times, and that's our
yes,
target. We
yes,
don't want someone to come one time and then don't want to visit us again because of the prices. All our
correct.
prices are very pocket friendly.
Correct. That's wonderful, yeah. Tell me, Mehul, as we are talking about, the pan and tandoori pan. So, which one is the game changer one? Which is absolutely famous one? People.
So, we got so many flavors, and I would say they are the game changer for and targeting the different category of the people. So if someone is really into the old school type of pan and they don't want to eat something with the chocolate, or they don't want to eat something with too much sweetness,
Hmm.
we have a Bambaya Meetha pan. That's
Okay.
our game changer for that segment. When we talk type of pan,
Hmm.
Kit Kat Crunch Pan and the Five-Star Crunch Pan are our game changer. And when we talk
Yeah.
about the innovations, tandoori pan, smoky flavor pan, and I, before I forget to mention, we got five more very innovative pans recently launched on our menu.
Hmm.
They are health-based menu. It's completely based on the health. We got sugar loss, sugar control pan. We got immunity booster pan. We got cardiovascular vascular booster pan.
Okay.
We got digestive booster pan. So we have these innovations, and people try to look for the healthy and the innovative products nowadays. And these are
Yes.
all the game changers for us. I
Okay.
would say I have about 15 to 20 very, very innovative products on the menu in fun. They are completely game changer. And we have other beverages. They are also game changer. We came up with these pan-based mocktails,
Hmm.
and we have the biggest range of pan-based mocktails in the world. And so
Okay.
we have approximately 15 to 20 mocktails made out of the pan right now.
That's wonderful, yeah. I mean, the prices are very good, economic, and there's a huge, huge variety people can choose. I mean, एक बार आइए, बार आइए. There's a lot of variety.
Exactly.
Yes, yes,
That's what I
right.
would say. एक बार आइए, बार आइए.
बार आइए, correct. Okay. So, what about when you're saying about these products which are like organic already? We all of us know. We as Indians we know that pan has this herbal medicinal benefits, right?
Yep.
And can you enlighten more about this? Okay, because people when we eat pan, because
Mhm.
most of us think that पान खाते हैं तो पान में there's tobacco, there's nicotine, okay, but you are into a business of tobacco free and nicotine free. You run this business, right?
Yep.
But so how do you educate people when they come to you? Many people also think that कत्था जो
Mhm.
डाला जाता है पान में उसमें भी निकोटीन होता है.
You're very right, and we have
करेक्ट.
experienced that.
Correct. So how do you educate people when they come to you? How do you tell them, that you are running a nicotine-free business and tobacco-free pan you're selling them? So how do you do this? How do you educate them?
So first of all, all our store has a big sign on the entrance that this is a completely tobacco and nicotine-free pan place. So whenever the customer visits us, they can see before entering that this is going to be completely tobacco-free experience. And majority of our customers walk in because of that sign, because that's what they want. Now with the new generation, that is exactly what the people want. Besides that, we actually circulate the flyers in the local territory. We actually have some radio ads going on. We support the local NGOs that they do the tobacco anti-tobacco campaigns. We support them. We do a lot of social media campaigns as well to support the anti-tobacco campaigns. So people has enough awareness now about our non-tobacco business and non-nicotine business, but still we have a lot of things to do in that area. We want to make it like wildfire right now, because a lot of people still think that pan is itself is made with tobacco, but that is not true. So we kind of like educate them. We are also asked so many times, about the fire pan, like why don't you sell fire pan? And we know that certain ingredients that we have to use in a fire pan are not good for the health.
Okay.
And that's what we have learned from our research and the experiments. So
Okay.
we don't sell that, and we don't sell any product that kind of causes the issues with your health.
Yes.
And regardless of that, we support the healthy products. You know, this is why majority of our products either have ashwagandha, either they have jamun ka powder ho gaya, either it has neem powder, either it has a tulsi powder, either it has sarso ka powder. So many different things that kind of helps your body to work better and act better.
Yes.
So this is why a lot of people now, it took us a good amount of time to educate the people. Pan is completely healthy product. Don't ruin the reputation and the respect what pan has,
Correct.
right? So just try to understand what you can get out of the actual pan, not eating the tobacco. and
Correct.
and I think now people started, after visiting Pan Casa, now they started realizing that Pan can be made and served in a such a way that can improve your health and overall, thinking and all that thing.
Correct, correct. As you said, pan has these health benefits, and when you are talking about these herbs like jamun powder or ashwagandha, so I think these all of them help in immunity booster pan, immunity booster. I
Yep.
think all of them, right? Sugar control ones and all.
Yep.
Jamun plays a major role in controlling sugar. I have heard,
Exactly, exactly.
right?
So what
Yes.
we did, we picked about 7 to 8 different types of very healthy medicinal herbs from our, market, and then we combined them in a such a way that can actually help to boost your immunity. It can help to control your sugar. It can help to think more through your brain. It can help you to feel stress free. So we came up with this innovative recipes to work on that direction. And I think people, loved it. So whoever has tried it so far, they are definitely not the typical sweet pan. They are medicinal pan. So you
Mm.
would expect little bit bitterness. You would expect little bit spiciness out of that. But if you eat that, I must say that that's gonna help your health overall in general.
Yes.
So we are currently working on the another direction, especially for the healthy pan. We are working on the keto pan, that can help you
Oh,
keto
that's
diet,
wonderful. I've heard about keto diet, but never heard
right?
about
So
keto pan.
yeah, so a lot of people must have heard about the keto diet, but not heard
Yes,
about the keto pan, right? So we are
correct.
currently working on that.
Hmm.
So we are trying to take the entire pan industry and the segment from tobacco and the commercialization towards the healthy product. And
Hmm.
I think if you take it towards the healthy business model, I would say that a lot of people would get the benefit out of that.
Hmm.
I'm not just saying that I'm looking to do as a business, but I'm looking to spread the awareness what
Okay.
pan can do with your health. And
Correct.
throughout the COVID, if you look at online today, lot of our doctors have recommended to eat one kacha pan every day, that can keep you away from the COVID and any other germs in the air.
That's wonderful, and that's a good information actually you're sharing.
Yeah, you just can eat, take one pan ka patta without putting anything, wash it and eat it. That can help you, stay healthy.
Yeah, absolutely. Never knew. I mean, pan
Yeah,
had such
and pan has so many
benefits.
good healthy. Yeah, I mean, but what happened is, in last few years, a lot of people, they kind of came up with a lot of tobacco, nicotine, and all that, and
Yeah.
everything got ruined.
Yes, absolutely. Also, because of your space now, all of us like I remember and I know like हमारे जब छोटी जगह होती है any
Hmm.
small place or we have this pan ka nukkad, so our fathers or brothers wouldn't allow us uh, okay, if you speak in Hindi more people would understand your mode. Okay, so I'll talk in Hindi. Yes, is it okay for you?
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
यस सो हम जब छोटे थे लाइक हम हमारे मम्मी या अदर वुमेन ऑफ अ हाउस वी आर हम लोगों को अलाउड नहीं है टू गो टू अ पान टपरी राइट
Right.
वो लोग घर लेके आता है बट आई एम वी आर थैंकफुल पान कासा के लिए दैट वी कैन हम लोग जा सकते हैं वहां पर विद आवर फैमिलीज विद आवर चिल्ड्रन लाइक दिस इज आल्सो अ मेजर मेजर सक्सेस
So that's right actually, और उसी डायरेक्शन में हम लोग अच्छी तरीके से वर्क किया है कि पान का जो अभी तक का बिजनेस था वो बिजनेस वैसा था कि जो वहां पर वुमन थे, फैमिली के यूथ थे, वो नहीं जा सकते थे बिकॉज ऑफ द
राइट राइट
स्मोकिंग, द टबैको एंड ऑल लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग. तो
राइट
व्हाट वी डिड, हम लोग ने वो चीज ही को कम्प्लीटली एलिमिनेट कर दिया बिजनेस से. उसके
करेक्ट
अलावा जो एनवायरनमेंट हमने अंदर क्रिएट किया है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेलकमिंग, दैट इज ऑल्सो गिविंग यू दैट सेफ्टी, कि जब आप किसी भी जगह पे जाते हो वहां पर इफ यू आर लुकिंग कि वुमन है, राइट, सो एक ऑटोमेटिकली एक बॉन्डिंग हो जाता है. हम लोग ने
करेक्ट
उस
करेक्ट
हिसाब से वुमन एम्पावरमेंट को थोड़ा फोकस करके हमारे सभी आउटलेट पे वुमन काम करती है, इधर दे आर मैनेजर और द क्रू मेंबर, और दैट ब्रिंग्स दैट सेफ्टीनेस ऑटोमेटिकली. जो भी हमारे कस्टमर्स हैं उनको एक अच्छा लगता है कि चलो यहाँ पर एक अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट है. हम लोग, हमारे बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स हैं जो सिर्फ लड़कियां आती है, वैसा नहीं है कि उनको उनको फैमिली के साथ ही आना पड़ता है, लेकिन दे जस्ट कम. हाँ, लड़कियां आती हैं, 2-3 लड़के ग्रुप में आते हैं, आकर चाय पीते हैं, पान खाते हैं, एंड दे जस्ट हैंग आउट. तो
या
वही एक एनवायरनमेंट हम लोग क्रिएट किया है, और वो एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करते करते हमको थोड़ा टाइम लगा लोगों को एक्सप्लेन करने में कि
करेक्ट
पान का बिजनेस ये तरीके से भी हो सकता है. लेकिन
एब्सोल्युटली
जब उन्होंने थोड़ा देखा समझा तो अभी उन लोग को अच्छा लगा कि पान का ये ऐसा बिजनेस होने से उन लोग को भी फायदा है, जो पहले घर पे लाके खाना पड़ता था वो अभी वहीं पर जाके हम लोग खा सकते हैं.
Correct, correct, absolutely. So, talking about pan and everything, your journey, हम अगर आपकी journey की बात करें, ये जाहिर है that for every successful man there must have been lots of ups and downs, काफी ups and downs face किए होंगे आपने. So आपको कभी criticism मिला है and how did you react?
सो क्रिटिसिज्म कहाँ पर नहीं होता है, आप काम कर लो, क्रिटिसिज्म सभी सभी जगह पे होता है.
Right.
तो हम लोग जब मैंने इंडिया में पहला आउटलेट शुरू किया था सूरत में, तो काफी फैमिली मेंबर्स ने हमारी फैमिली से बोला था कि तू नो टबैको बिजनेस कर रहा है, तू गुटखा नहीं बेच रहा है, तू सिगरेट नहीं बेच रहा है, तो तेरा बिजनेस इतना अच्छा सक्सेसफुली नहीं चलेगा. बिकॉज दे थॉट कि बिजनेस जहां पर भी पान का बिजनेस होता है वहां पर ये सब चीज होना जरूरी है.
Correct.
तो वो थोड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म था. उसके बाद जैसे ही मैंने पान का बिजनेस शुरू किया, लोगों को ज्यादा पता चला कि वैसे ये इनके लड़के ने अभी पान का बिजनेस शुरू किया है. देन दे स्टार्टेड टेलिंग कि भैया ये अच्छा खासा तू जॉब कर रहा है, तेरा एक अच्छा फैमिली है, तू अच्छा अर्निंग कर रहा है, पान का बिजनेस करने का जरूरत क्या है, राइट? बिकॉज पीपल थिंक कि पान का बिजनेस वही लोग कर सकते हैं जो एक लोअर मिडिल क्लास या लोअर क्लास से आते हैं. दे थिंक कि पान को आज भी हम लोग इतना बड़ा बिजनेस करें, वी स्टिल कंसिडर एज द लोएस्ट कैटेगरी इन अवर इंडियन क्यूजिन. बिकॉज आई मीन दैट इज व्हाट आई एम स्टिल एक्सपीरियंसिंग दैट, कि जहां पर भी हम लोग कहीं पर भी कुछ लेके जाते हैं, कुछ अच्छा पार्टनरशिप के लिए कुछ हम लोग किसी को ऑफर करते हैं या फिर इंक्वायरी करते हैं, वी जस्ट गेट निग्लेक्टेड बिकॉज कि उन लोग को वही लगता है कि पान का बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, एक टिपिकल टपरी का बिजनेस है.
Correct, correct.
लेकिन व्हाट वी डू इज वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग ऑन आवर इनोवेशंस, हार्ड वर्क, और जो हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस है, जो हमारा गोल सेट है, हम लोग वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग ऑन दैट। और हमारा अभी का जो प्रोग्रेस है, उस हिसाब से हमारा बाय 2025 हमारा गोल है 100 आउटलेट्स इन पान इंडिया। सो
वाओ,
मुझे लगता है जब 100 आउटलेट्स हो जाएंगे तब ऑटोमेटिकली ये जो स्टीरियो टाइप है वी विल बी एबल टू कम्प्लीटली ब्रेक इट। तो
you
वो
are
अभी मुझे
already breaking them up. Already you're breaking them. I mean, look at you,
No, I
so
mean,
many
I,
outlets.
you are absolutely right, and I get appreciation from a lot of people. लेकिन मुझे ये लगता है from looking from the top कि I still have a lot of things to achieve, a lot of things to take care of it, especially in this business. क्योंकि
Correct.
जिस हिसाब से मुझे फीडबैक मिलता है, जिस हिसाब से हम लोग को इसका क्रिटिसिज्म मिलता है, जिस हिसाब से
जी,
इसका पॉजिटिव फीडबैक मिलता है, तो आई थिंक देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स कि जहां पर इसको अभी भी मॉडिफाई किया जा सकता है। If you look at, we were awarded as the most innovative pan business in India in 2019,
wonderful.
कोलकाता में।
Okay.
क्योंकि हमारे पास जो टेक्नोलॉजी, हमारे पास अभी AWS पे बिल्ड की हुई वेबसाइट है।
Hmm.
AWS is the one of the latest technologies that lot of bigger players are using in the market। मैकडोनल्ड्स
Okay.
हो गया, डोमिनोज हो गया,
Hmm.
स्टारबक्स हो गया, फ्लिपकार्ट हो गया।
Okay.
लेकिन पान के बिजनेस में इतना एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी किसी के पास नहीं है।
You are the one
Exactly.
bringing
We have a
realize.
data driven, we have API driven, we got the technologies, we got so many integrated technologies। तो
Hmm.
ये एक स्टीरियोटाइप को ब्रेक करने के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है ये सब चीज। तो इसके ऊपर हम लोग अभी काम कर रहे हैं, और अच्छा खासा हम लोग को अभी तक का उससे उससे पॉजिटिव फीडबैक मिला है, जो हम वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग एंड वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स। तो
Okay.
मुझे लगता है कि अगर और 2-3 साल 4 साल में जो हमारा टारगेट है विल बी एबल टू अचीव विद ऑल दिस एफर्ट्स एंड हार्डवर्क दैट वी पुट इन राइट नाउ।
Correct. So Mehul, you have devoted, आपने आपका life devote कर दिया in crafting pans, okay? So many innovative. Look at the range. जब आप हमको बताते हो, मैंने कभी ये नाम नहीं सुने. Immunity booster, sugar control pan. I think everyone should try, all of these. Uh,
Yeah, I mean, if you want to live a good life, try the healthy products. I mean, I'm
yes,
not just saying just eat healthy pan, but I'm saying overall eat healthy, right?
overall, yes, eat
ओवरऑल
healthy.
राइट।
Correct,
लेकिन जब पान की बात आती है तो आई मस्ट से कि पान में जो उसका हेल्थ बेनिफिट है उसको आप समझिए, उसको
correct.
उसको लेके चलिए, और उसको आप बॉडी के अंदर लीजिए, तो उससे जो आपको बेनिफिट मिलना चाहिए वो आपको 100% बॉडी का बेनिफिट मिलेगा।
Correct, correct. So what are your future expansion plans? Like you just said, like you want, 2021 में like 100 outlets हो जाने चाहिए, right? Correct. So tell
सो
us more about this.
So that is our 5 years plan right now.
Hmm.
Currently we have a 6 projects in the pipeline। हमारा 6 आउटलेट का भी काम चल रहा है, लेकिन थोड़ा कोविड के हिसाब से इट इज गेटिंग डिलेड।
Hmm.
लेकिन उसके अलावा हम लोग वी आर वर्किंग ऑन पान ऑन द व्हील्स। दैट इज गोइंग टू
Okay.
बी अवर वन ऑफ टाइप ऑफ मॉडल की जो एक छोटा सा फूड ट्रक आता है, वैसा ही एक पान का एक ट्रक आएगा छोटा सा। उसके ऊपर हम लोग वर्क कर रहे हैं। वो ऐसे ऐसे सिटीज में जाएगा जहां पर हाईएस्ट फुटफॉल है, जहां पर थोड़ा कंजस्टेड, चांदनी चौक हो गया, तो वैसा ही जगह पे जहां पर जगह लेना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, लेकिन वहां पर भी हम लोग पान को बेच सकते हैं बाई बाई यूजिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ मॉडल।
Okay.
उसके अलावा हम लोग वी आर कमिंग इन टू दी एक्चुअल रिटेल मार्केट एज वेल बाई कमिंग अप विद सम प्री मेड पान की प्रोडक्ट्स जो आप डायरेक्टली हमारे वेबसाइट से भी परचेस कर सकेंगे। हम लोग ट्राइंग टू सेल दोज आइटम्स ऑन Amazon एज वेल। So we are currently working on that. Maybe after 6 months, you will be able to purchase few pan kasa items on the Amazon directly.
That's
Your voice is breaking again.
I'm so sorry. I was saying that's wonderful. I mean, keep growing.
Well, thank you so much, and that is what our target and goal. Ki constantly focus on
Hmm.
what you want to achieve and what you want to do. And if
Correct.
you are constantly working on that, I'm sure that we will be able to achieve all that thing for you guys. Because we are doing all this hard work and the work for our pan lovers, for the pan community,
Right.
out there. And we want
Right.
to spread the awareness कि पान खाने से क्या अच्छा हो सकता है और क्या बुरा हो सकता है। एंड वी
Correct.
आर leaning more and more towards the positivity कि पान खाने से क्या हम लोग एक सोसाइटी में मैसेज दे सकते हैं।
Correct. Mehul, tell me, how are you dealing with this COVID situation? Are you providing home deliveries also? Does Pan Casa provides home deliveries during this COVID time?
So Yes, we are providing the home delivery, contactless home delivery. We actually have two ways to order Pan Casa products, Zomato and our directly calling our store.
Okay.
हम लोग contactless delivery करते हैं. We have a QR code in place. You can directly place from our
That's
QR
good.
code.
That's
तो
wonderful.
हाँ, you just place the order online, or our crew member will drop it off. We don't
Okay.
even talk to each other, and it's completely safe.
That's
उसके
good.
अलावा कोविड के लिए हम लोग एक काम और भी कर रहे हैं कि हमारा जो स्टाफ है, वी
Hmm.
मेक श्योर कि दे आर आल्सो इन द सेफ पोजीशन,
Hmm.
देयर फैमिली इज आल्सो इन द सेफ पोजीशन.
Right.
So we have reduced our hours, and
Hmm.
we have shifted our, we have kind of like rotated our shift कि
Okay.
इस हिसाब से हमारा स्टाफ भी एक हेल्दी एनवायरनमेंट में रह सके और उनको
Hmm.
कोई खतरा ना हो सके इससे.
That's good, yeah. And that is much required during these
Much
times.
required. Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
correct. One last question.
Mhm.
Okay, so what is the USP of Pan Casa?
So I would say one word, innovation.
Okay.
Innovation is the USP. But if I break it down, that innovation in the multiple pieces, there are so many multiple things we have.
Hmm.
वो एक वाव कस्टमर सर्विस हो गया. हमारा सभी कस्टमर के लिए एक कंप्लीटली वाव एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है जब भी दे आर वॉकिंग इनटू द पान प्लेस. दूसरा एक हमारा इनोवेशन हो गया, इंटीग्रेटेड टेक्नोलॉजीज विद पान. जो पान के बिजनेस में आज तक ऐसी इंटीग्रेटिव टेक्नोलॉजीज नहीं आई हुए है. और थर्ड वन जो हमारा है वो एक क्वालिटी है. हमारी मेजोरिटी जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, जो रॉ मटेरियल बनता है वो कम्प्लीटली सोर्स्ड हमारे डेडिकेटेड वेंडर से किया हुआ है, जो वेंडर्स सिर्फ वो रॉ मटेरियल हमारे लिए ही बनाता है. तो ये तीन मेजर यूएसपीज है. अब आप इस तीनों को कंबाइन करो तो एक ही वर्ड बनता है इनोवेशन, और दैट इज व्हाट आवर यूएसपी इज.
I mean, I wish and I hope कि पान casa जल्दी से बॉम्बे में भी आ जाए. If not, I should get this opportunity to go to different places where pan casa is, and I would
डेफिनेटली.
love to visit. I would love to
No,
go there
definitely.
and try.
हम लोग जैसे ही दहिसर में ओपन होते हैं, you'll be able to find out from our
Yes,
social media.
yes,
And yeah, whenever it opens up, please visit with your family and let us know what you experience,
absolutely.
and what are the
And
feedback.
people should, the viewers should tell us like which sort of pan they love to eat. Correct.
हाँ, definitely. और
Correct.
I would say व्यूअर के लिए भी कि पान कासा का कुछ भी आपको आई मीन जहां पर भी पान कासा है, एंड इफ यू आर फ्रॉम द सेम सिटी,
Hmm.
if you have any suggestions, feedback, if you have anything to tell us, let us know. You can find my direct cell phone number from my other website, mrpanwala.com, as well. So
Correct.
you can directly text me on my cell phone, and we personally talk to every individual. I personally
Yes.
speak to all our customers individually,
I
whenever.
am the example of this thing. Yeah.
Right.
Very down to earth.
Whenever I get a feedback from my customers or clients or whoever visits Pan Casa, I directly get in touch with that person and try to work on that feedback, whether it's a positive feedback or negative. Lekin we always take that feedback as a constructive feedback. So और उसी के बेस पे आज पान कासा जहां पर है वो वहां पर पहुंच सका है.
Wonderful. Any last message to our viewers?
um, एक ही मैसेज मैं फिलहाल तो एक करंट सिचुएशन में दूंगा. एवरीवन, प्लीज प्लीज स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम, डोंट गो आउट विदाउट एनी रिक्वायरमेंट और नेसेसिटी. क्योंकि जब तक हम खुद की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं समझेंगे तब तक कहीं से भी ये चीज जाने वाली नहीं है. एंड ऑल ऑफ अस नीड टू पुट इन आवर फुट डाउन, और खुद की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझ के हमको इसके ऊपर बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल नागरिक के तरीके से इसके ऊपर वर्क करना चाहिए.
Absolutely.
एंड स्टे सेफ एवरीवन.
Yes, yes. So one thing, एक बात मैं सभी viewers से कहना चाहूंगी. Please visit to your nearest pan casa whenever you get this opportunity. If not, place order, as Mehul said. They deliver a contactless. They do a contactless home deliveries also, and many precautions are taken care of. So
Yes.
please do visit. ये मैंने कभी ये इन सारे इनोवेशन सुने नहीं है अपनी लाइफ में. ये फर्स्ट टाइम है that I've heard of this तंदूरी पान जो गर्म नहीं होता, जो
एग्जैक्ट रहता है.
yes, I'm right. Yes,
Yes.
वो ठंडा है. एंड कौन सा शुगर कंट्रोल पान,
शुगर कंट्रोल पान हो गया.
पान,
Yeah.
so many of them. So you can not only, you know, any age, gaya wo zamana jab aap ghar par paan la kar khate the. So everyone should visit there, right? From a child, you know, go with your families, go with your friends, go with your girlfriends, and everyone have your meetings there. It's a wonderful, wonderful place, and I highly recommend it. So please do visit Pan Casa. It's there in Rajkot, Ahmedabad, Mumbai coming soon, and Surat,
Vadodara, Surat,
Vadodara, yes, and
Goa, and Kolkata.
Goa, Kolkata, where, I mean, out of India, mein where is
London,
it?
yeah, London,
London
and US,
and yes, yes,
United States.
United States. So please visit there. Please visit there. There are a number of outlets, and as Mehul said, more coming up. More power to you, Mehul. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much
much.
for joining. Please follow Pan Casa. Please follow our beloved Mr. Panwala. We all love you, Mehul. It's your
And please
wonderful.
follow Storymakers online as well.
Yes, follow us absolutely. Thank you so much, Mehul.
Thank
Thank
you
you so
so
much
much
for
for the
being part.
opportunity.
Thank you
Thank you,
so much.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.